Now, what makes Keto Kick unique? There's a lot of shots that are out on the market. Some claim to have a couple hours of energy. We're looking for 24 hours, right? We want to have energy in our brain even when we're sleeping to help rest and recover. You're getting a ketone boost is kind of the way I think of it. It's like you're getting this quick, boom delivery of ketones inside of your brain. We have the D or R form of BHB. We're able to put in potassium BHB that we've never had before inside of KetoNat because we're delivering it in a water-soluble form, so that's unique about it. We're also going to have our free cell technology. We also have in there acetyl L-carnitine. What that does is it helps transport fatty acids into the mitochondria to bring energy. In order for the mitochondria to work well, you need to be able to take the fatty acids from our body and from the foods we eat and bring them in there, and that's exactly what that ingredient does to help support overall energy and longevity. We have L-Taurine in there. One of the things, there's new data out on L-Taurine that it actually stimulates nerve cells inside of the brain and connection within those brain cells. A lot of times when we get stressed, do you think our memory or our cognitive function goes up or it goes down? Down. A lot of that stress is certain neurotransmitters in your brain are not firing properly. N-acetyltyrosine, there's studies in humans where if you supplement with that, it overcomes that stress-induced loss in neurotransmitters. We have alpha GPC. One of the things that happens, whether it's poor diet, lifestyle choices, things like this, it increases something known as homocysteine. Homocysteine, when it's built up inside of the brain, and a lot of you might have heard this term, there's a lot of people in the health space talking about this now. But homocysteine, they call it a neurotoxin, right? Basically, it's toxic to the brain. Alpha GPC or these choline come in and they reduce levels of homocysteine. And then the last two you guys have seen, caffeine and theanine. The reason that we combine these together is it's great to have that energy, but you need it to be balanced out, and that's kind of what L-theanine does. So we've literally brought together a formula that brings this ketone boost on one end, and then you have this caffeine, theanine, even keel energy, right? And then you have this plethora of ingredients that are meant to like help balance out neurotransmitters. I don't know about you guys, but that sounds really exciting to me.